Let's be real, half of us are scared AI is going to snatch our identity like a stolen wig. But here's the twist. Your grocery store loyalty card knows more about you than ChatGPT ever could. Welcome to Reinventing with FLAIR, the show where we turn tech fear into boss-level freedom. I'm Stacey McDaniels, and today we're talking about a question I hear all the time. Is AI safe to use? Spoiler alert. If you've ever said, "Hey Alexa," or clicked "Accept all cookies," this episode is about to bless your life. All right, let's compare some receipts. Your grocery store loyalty app, it tracks your favorite snacks, when you buy wine, and how often you promise to eat clean, then don't. Facebook, it knows your high school crush's new baby mama and what you commented on a cat video at 2:13 a.m. Now ChatGPT, it doesn't even know your name unless you tell it. It doesn't track you. It doesn't sell your info. Unless you turn on memory settings, it forgets everything the minute you close the tab. So if you trust Target to suggest toilet paper, you can trust AI to help you meal plan. Period. Let's walk through it. Here's how to keep your ChatGPT settings private and in your control. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Step 2. Click your name or the 3 little dots in the bottom left corner. Step 3. Click on Settings, then Data Controls. Step 4. Toggle off chat history and training. That means your convos won't be saved or used for training. Step 5, bonus move, hit clear conversations. If you want a fresh slate, that's it. You just locked it down like a pro. No tech degree required. Let's make it real. It's 5 p.m. You're staring at your fridge with 2 eggs, a wilted bag of spinach, and exactly 0 motivation. So you open ChatGPT and type, "Pork, act as a meal planner. I don't eat pork. I want 5 quick dinners under 30 minutes. Give me a grocery list too." And just like that, Monday is sheet pan salmon and veggies. Tuesday is turkey taco bowls. Wednesday, stir fry with ginger and garlic. You've got a full dinner plan and a categorized grocery list in under 3 minutes. I mean, come on, that's a win. Feel this in your soul. You just went from overwhelmed to organized with 1 free tool and 0 stress. And your data? Still safer than that overshare you posted on Facebook back in 2012. This is what it looks like when technology works for you, not against you. You're not just surviving, you're automating with FLAIR. If this episode made you laugh, sigh, or shout, "Yes," go ahead and follow the show, because we're just getting started. And if you want to try that meal plan magic for yourself, grab my free AI starter kit in the show notes. It's packed with prompts, tools, and beginner-friendly tips that don't feel overwhelming. Until next time, stay bold, stay brainy, and always run it so it doesn't run you. Have a fantabulous day.